Hello everyone, my name is Aisha and I am here to share a very exciting news with you that PMC is now registered with NAVTTC, National Vocational and Technical Training Commission, which is a supreme government authority and regulator for vocational and technical trainings in Pakistan. So it makes us a government recognized body. So now the diplomas will be issued by NAVTTC and you can use those diplomas both internationally and nationally. So because of this affiliation with NAVTTC Government of Pakistan, the examination process है that is going to be bit changed, and now you have to come to our campus to appear in final examination and then you'll be able to get your NAVTTC certified diploma. यहाँ पर ये बात वाज़ह करना ज़रूरी है कि नई पॉलिसी का इतलाक़ सितंबर 2024 के बाद कोर्स कंप्लीट करने वाले तलबा और तालिबात पर लागू होगा, और जो तलबा ऑलरेडी अपना कोर्स कंप्लीट करके डिप्लोमा हासिल कर चुके हैं उन्हें भी हम रिकमेंड करते हैं कि वो ये NAVTTC का एडिशनल एग्ज़ाम दे के अपना गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान से रिकग्नाइज्ड डिप्लोमा हासिल करें. So for further details you can connect with your tutors or any of our representatives. This offer is valid for all of our students. It's mandatory for the current students and it's optional for the students who have already completed their diplomas. Thank you.